cute little DIY from TikTok. Girl, all you need is a graphic tee, some scissors, and I'm gonna put a tiny little twist on it, and we're gonna call this the plus size edition, okay? So grab another shirt. Okay, girl, so just cut right down the middle of your graphic tee. I was struggling a little bit here with the scissors, trying to just make sure I go straight down the middle. And it didn't quite work so well. It wasn't right down the middle, but that's okay, girl, because it's not that deep. So here I finished cutting the front, and right now I'm just looking at if I want to cut the sides first or the back first. So I decided I was going to go ahead and go in and cut the back of the shirt. I didn't want to go all the way to the top because I knew that I wasn't going to use the back for to tie to the front. That probably won't make sense right now, but you guys will get it at the end. So I cut it like mid-back, which was cool, and I'm probably going to cut it up the back a little bit more. So for some reason I ended up being indecisive about cutting the sides, but then I'm like, girl, that defeats the purpose of doing this TikTok DIY. You have to cut the sides of the shirt, okay? It just wouldn't be right. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm kind of going to show you guys what it looks like after they're cut. So there's that. And then what I went to go do was grab that other shirt. And now I'm going to just chop this shirt up. The point of this shirt is just to use it for like a belt. Instead of using the back of the shirt to tie the knot in the front, I'm going to use this shirt, this piece of shirt. I'm sorry. But yeah, just make sure there's no words left on the shirt. You don't want the thread on the shirt either. You just want the fabric, just so it can match well with whatever shirt you're going to be cutting. I felt like the gray really matched well since this Betty Boop shirt is gray and black, so it went really good. Like I said, this is not that deep, sis. Just go ahead and make it look how you want it to look. It's gonna look cute when you finish, I promise. And boom, there you go, plus size edition. Okay, so basically I did cut the shirt all the way up in the front, and then I cut it about halfway in the back, which I'm going to change. I'll probably cut it up a little bit more, but this is the twist, baby, because originally the TikTok has you take these two pieces from the back and then you tie them in the front. So I didn't want to do that because, baby, I don't want all of my back meat out, okay? I don't want all of my back meat out. So this is for the girls, the plus size girls, who sometimes it's okay, but sometimes we don't want to give the people all of that. All right, so I just basically take this, tie it in a knot in the front, simple. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, excuse all that. So yeah, this is how I did the front, and I kind of put like some little jewelry with it. It looks better when I actually take my time to do it. Like, if you take your time and you put it together, it looks really cute. So I want to wear this as a cover up for a little pool party that I'm going to, instead of wearing like one of those sheer cover-ups or some long cover-up, I'm probably gonna wear this. I don't know. I'm so indecisive about when I'm wearing stuff. I was gonna cut the sleeves off, but I don't know. I probably will cut the sleeves off. I don't know what you got. What do you guys think? Sleeves, no sleeves. And then I was like, girl, I can wear this bag with it. How does this look? Is this cute? I think I might show you guys the other bathing suits I'm thinking about wearing with it too. With these glasses, honey. Okay. And then, oh, what I was thinking, these glasses with this neon green bag, or I could just wear it as a clutch. Take the strap off and wear it like. I don't know, but girl, I think this is cute. It's a cute little way to wear that little viral t-shirt TikTok thingy DIY if you don't want all your back out, baby, because I don't know, I just don't want to do the back out, the whole back out. I think this is fine. This is good enough. It doesn't show that much. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want my whole back out. So yeah, this is cool. I like it. Okay, gang, gang, gang. No, it's like, yeah. This is the shirt. Anyway, girl, do you one of these DIYs? For sure. Get you a graphic tee from wherever. Graphic tees are everywhere. Target, Walmart, Ross, anywhere you go, you can find a graphic tee, okay? Honey, do this DIY, cut it up, make it look cute how you want to make it look cute. Matter of fact, get you two different graphic tees, or get the same one. So if you make a mistake or you don't like the first one, you can do the second one the same. Graphic tees are about what? You can get them for like $5. So yeah, I like this. I'm probably gonna cut up some more graphic tees. I will show you guys when I do that. So yeah, all right.